Hello friends, my name is Niketa Dedhia and I'm signing in from the Exponent Consultancy Services. We help and guide students for their international debt-free higher education across all fields and all levels of study. And because we get students from a variety of educational background and who want to make a career, a very successful career, and you deserve to have that based on international debt-free education. And because there are so many students who come in from various backgrounds, we have tried to make an industry analysis of various fields. Today's field is a combination or amalgamation of very vital fields. It's medical technology and healthcare business, combining the two. Because both of them are leading growth sectors, not just nationally, but also globally. There are so many innovations happening and are waiting to happen in key technological fields. Today's world is talking of physiological health, neural health, mental health, and there are technical control loops, medical imaging, and various minimally invasive surgeries that help make progress in this field. And because there is so much globalization of the markets, a strong customer orientation, and so many excellent employment opportunities and career chances for students. So this field is gaining popularity. Today's field I'm talking about is biomedical neurosciences. Yes, biomedical neurosciences, everything about the mind. It's an interdisciplinary field. In today's world, now is a big trend for interdisciplinary options. So biomedical neuroscience is an interdisciplinary field which combines natural sciences as well as clinical science. So the aim of this study is to have an intensive all-round education from basic neuroscience, neuropsychiatric diseases for the overall well-being of mental health. This includes both theoretical background information, but also technical skills that are commonly used for experimental approaches in the basic and clinical research. This is theory, hands-on. This is something that interests you. You could be getting into not just working in the laboratories, but also working in scientific ethics management, and scientific data analysis. This is really interesting because this is state-of-art education at various modern research locations and variety of biomedical core subjects like follows: cell biology, stem cells and epigenetics, molecular microbiology and infectious biology, molecular oncology, neurosciences, and cardiovascular and lung research. This field is gaining popularity in a very big way. If you're interested to have an international debt-free education into this field, write into us at queries@exponentconsultants.com. I repeat, queries@exponentconsultants.com with your academic resume and your list of questions. Your academic resume helps us understand your academic background, and your list of questions will help us understand where exactly you need help and how we could be of help to you for your progress and for your success. Chiming out is Niketa Dedhia from the ECS.